Muffy Makati, Mommy and me Django lover.
Stand up! This girl, I like her, and I want marry her.
For my baby, okay? Guy, wait here. What is up? What? Phone card? You will move out? You will move out of this house.
No woman, no joy. No woman, no joy.
Guy! Mr. Man, what's the meaning of that?
What? Jesus is Lord.
I love my woman. I love my Iyawo.
Stand up! You see this girl, so I like her, and I want marry her.
You know you can be prosecuted for that. Jesus! What? I supposed to hear of this.